with the same question when we come close to the comprehensive exam, the dental comprehensive exam, or for students who are going to study abroad about how to study prosthodontics. We have a lot of subjects and we have a lot of material to study. So how am I going to study it? First of all, you need to first try to put down anything you know about subjects. So let's do it first from the top of my head, and then you're going to repeat it, checking the titles of chapters and subtitles inside your book. So if you missed anything here, you can go back and put it in. So what are the major things about prosthodontics? I'm going to say maybe this is complete denture work, removable denture work, okay, fixed denture work, and these related procedures. We could go for implants. And what else? So you have the complete denture, the removable partial denture, fixed denture, and implants. Okay, and you could go for maxillofacial if you're studying for postgraduate studies. So these are the big families. If I remember something else, I could put it down as well. So I'm going to take another page and then say complete denture work. What do I need to know about complete denture work? I need to know maybe material, procedures, special cases. No matter how I'm going to divide the subjects, when I put them in a map, a mind map, my mind begins organizing the information correctly, and this mind map will guide me through the subjects and let me know where I need to study further. Okay, so let's say I complete denture, material, procedures, special cases. What else can I say about complete dentures? Complications. I could say other subjects that I'm trying to remember, they come inside these categories. So let's take about material. I need material related to acrylic. I need material related to gypsum. And I need material related to teeth. Okay? They could come in acrylic or could come in other forms as porcelain and others. Okay? Special cases, we're talking about maybe resorbed ridges. We can talk about flabby ridges. We could talk about neutral zone techniques, cases that need a neutral zone. You may be the cases that need surgeries. These are not a direct case. Maybe I'll remember more while I'm talking. Procedures, we're going to divide them. We have clinic and we have lab. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Complications and recalls. I could remember soft tissue problems, bone problems, material problems, and so on. Because each treatment I should know what are the complications related to it. So now each one of these, I'm going to take them alone and bring a piece of paper and put the subjects inside. So let's say I'm going to talk about procedure clinic 1. I'm talking about clinic 1. Clinic 1, I'm talking about main procedures in clinic 1. I need to do diagnosis. I need to do examination. I need to do investigations, special investigations in complete denture, and I'm going to take impressions. There are sub-procedures like consent of the patient, maybe records of dentures, of old dentures, of pictures, and so on. Okay, these are sub-things, but these are the main. Okay, but maybe I'll talk about impressions. So what are the impressions related to to complete denture? If I'm talking about first clinic number 1, complete denture, clinic number 1. So what are the impression procedures in clinic number 1? Mainly we're confined with alginate and compound. I began studying alginate in detail. I could study any impression material, study it in multiple steps. But usually these come in groups. These are in terms of buying the material, how you buy the material, how you store the material, how you dispense the material. Dispense means how you take it out and how to use it. How do you mix it? How do you load it? How do you take it out? Maybe how to disinfect it, how to store it before sending to the lab, how to pour it, can you re-pour or not, and so on. So these are all related. You can group them further by the responsibilities of the assistant, the responsibilities of the doctor, and the responsibilities of the lab. So you could either categorize them. But these are usually very important for each impression material. This structure will be repeated for partial dentures, complete dentures, fixed dentures, and implants. You should know all of this material. So once you have these mind maps ready, you begin for each subject